Namaste students. Hope you all stay safe. Myself Saranya, I'm your EVS teacher. We'll continue the lesson A Day with Nandu. Make your own elephant. Do this activity by yourself. Copy the drawing of the elephant given on the next page in a bigger size on a thick sheet of paper. Make a small cut where it says cut in the picture. Be careful not to cut off the parts. Flow, fold along the dotted lines. If in that picture dotted lines are there, you have to fold that dotted. If it is shows us a pattern, you have to fold the part with and push them underneath. Cut out the tail and stick it on it. Your elephant is ready now. So see this pamphlet. In that cutting picture you have to cut there. In that folding you have to fold dotted lines, and this pattern line you have to fold it and you have to underneath the paper. So after that, cut the tail part and attach to this. So your elephant is ready. Color and decorate it. Put up an exhibition. So we can't do that exhibition now. So you can do this activity and you can see how you can decorate, color it, and you can decorate that elephant. What do they say? And before going to this, you have to do this activity and you have to send the picture of this. What do they say? Look at these pictures and read that these animals are sharing with their friends. So each animal will share their sharing with their friends, like we are sharing our things with friends, right? Like that. First one is snake. Basket is the only home I have. I have forgotten what it is like in the open jungle and fresh air. For me, it is only the basket and the snake chamber. So see, if we it is in the basket only. So some of the chamber will make that snake for their for getting earn use of their snakes, right? So it is not, it is forgotten about the jungle life and the fresh air. Always it is inside the basket, like that, how it is suffering. Next, you see me in circus dancing and jumping through rings of fire. You can see this bear or things, we can see them in a circus, like jumping in the ring of fire. You clap and enjoy. Do you think that I also enjoy all these? If I do not do this, I will get no food, only get a beating. So, how it feels like we are enjoying by seeing, but the animal is not enjoying. It is suffering. Horse. You have only seen how fast I run. Have you seen my shoes? Do you know how much pain I get when they fix the horse's shoe to my hooks? So to the horses, it the trainer will uh, tick the shoes, so it will be more pain for them. So we can see only the how fast it is, how it is looking, but behind that all the animals are suffering. Monkeys, they make us dance and dance and dance even if we don't want to do, and we are in pain, that too. with an empty stomach. So in some of the places some person will bring monkeys and make them to dance, right? So we are enjoying by seeing, but the monkeys will be in hungry, we can't know that. So the monkey also suffering. Meow, meow, meow. I can just roam around everywhere. Children love me a lot. They pat me and also give me milk. So, cat is roaming here and there. Most of the children's we will like cat, right? Like pet animal. So we will give milk for it. Next, grok, grok. Do you know people especially call out to me to feed me with grain? So if we saw in our apartments or home, we saw a dove means we will give some grains, like we will give them. So from this what we can understand means even the animals have some feelings and pains. We have to understand that we have to leave them as free. You have read what these animals says. Why do you think that some of them are sad? They are sad because many people catch them and use them for their own benefits, because of which they are deprived of freedom. How do you think they are different? The monkeys that dance to entertain people and the monkeys that are free. Monkeys that dance to entertain people do not enjoy freedom, as they are caught and are used by the people for their own benefits. So they feel sad. But the monkeys that are free and live in the forest are happy. They do whatever they like. They can go wherever they want. So we have we don't so we should not catch animals, we should not harm any animals. So we have to leave them for their happiness. How many legs does this elephant have? So see this and write your answer how many legs we can see here. Do you know elephants help each other when in trouble? So if one elephant is in trouble means other animals will help them. They join together to care for and rescue their young ones. So we have to learn from them how we can, if somebody is in trouble, we have to help them. So this thing we have to learn from elephants. So that's all, the lesson got over. We'll see the next lesson in the next section. Write all the answers questions in your classwork and read it. Thank you, students.